Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Wi-Fi and hotspot at the same time. Let's get started. So if you're looking for a way to use your Wi-Fi and hotspot at the same time, basically sharing your Wi-Fi connection through your hotspot, there are a few things you need to understand first. This feature depends on whether your device actually supports it. Some phones or brands have it built in, while others don't. To check, open your settings and look for something like connectivity options or portable hotspot. If you don't see it immediately, tap more connectivity options. If your phone supports Wi-Fi sharing, simply toggle share Wi-Fi via hotspot on. This allows your device to use Wi-Fi and share it through your hotspot at the same time. If your phone doesn't have that option, don't worry. You can still do it using a third-party app. Go to the Google Play Store, tap on search, and type NetShare. Look for NetShare no root tethering and tap install. Once installed, open the app. Now, tap configure hotspot. Set your network name, password, and other options like bandwidth or timeout. Then enable SOCKS 5 and turn on usage speed notification if needed. Once everything's set, tap Start Wi-Fi Hotspot, then allow permissions for nearby devices. Your phone will now create a shared connection using your Wi-Fi network. And that's it. You can now use Wi-Fi and hotspot at the same time with or without built-in support. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. And check out our next tutorial.